The one you send to Abuja or Calabar is not for decoration. It's your voice and not your vanishing shadow. The moral duties of a good representative are: number one, to make laws. If you know they make laws, what they make? Na trouble. Your job is to legislate and pass laws that solve real community problems. That is the work. And not to be clapping and attending naming ceremonies. Number two, oversight. Oversight. A rep when you oversee. Now like watchman when they sleep. You must monitor how money is spent. Hold ministries.
Subscribe to Voice of Obol Lopon to watch the complete skit.